Hey guys, this is Mikhail here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm back with a new episode of our tutorial video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to record yourself while playing Roblox. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to open the Roblox app on your device. Here I'm doing this on my Android mobile. This would be fairly similar with the other iOS device as well. So launch the Roblox app. Once you open that, make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Now in order to record on Roblox, you have to go through the screen recorder from your device. For that, scroll your control panel and scroll more, and on your control panel you will be able to see screen recorder menu. If you are not able to see this here, scroll to the left and in here you will see a screen record. Once you tap on screen record, make sure that you have all over the microphone access, and once you're done with that, simply start the screen record and then your screen recorder will start recording your screen. As you can see from the top of your screen, a small record icon is displayed there. So now you are being recorded. Now simply open the game that you want to play. Once you are playing the game, your screen record will be recorded and you can play the game on your device. So this is how you can simply record yourself while playing on Roblox. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.